Welcome back. In the previous video, we looked at a simple example of solving simultaneous equations using the elimination method. This time, we're going to make things a little more challenging. We're still using the elimination method, but before we can eliminate a variable, we'll first have to multiply one of the equations. Let's look at this example together. We have 2x plus 3y equals 13, and 4x minus y equals 5. Same as before, our goal is to find values of x and y that satisfy both equations. The first step is to eliminate one variable. However, if we look closely, the y terms won't cancel out straight away. So before we eliminate a variable, we need to make the coefficients of one variable the same. The easiest way to do that is to multiply the second equation by 3. This will make the coefficients of y the same. Remember, when multiplying an equation, every single term must be multiplied. Multiplying the second equation by 3 gives us 12x minus 3y equals 15. Now our equations become 2x plus 3y equals 13, and 12x minus 3y equals 15. Now if we add the two equations together, the positive 3y and the negative 3y will cancel each other out. So let's add them. Adding 2x and 12x gives us 14x. The y terms disappear. And 13 plus 15 equals 28. So we're left with 14x equals 28. Now divide both sides by 14. This gives us x equals 2. We've now found the value of x. Next, as usual, we substitute x back into one of the original equations. I'll use the second equation. You can also use a first. 4x minus y equals 5. Replacing x with 2 gives 4 multiplied by 2 minus y equals 5. That gives 8 minus y equals 5. Subtract 8 from both sides. Minus y equals minus 3. Finally, this gives us y equals 3. We've now found both variables. But before we finish, let's check our answer by substituting our values back into the original equations. Substituting x equals 2 and y equals 3 into the first equation gives us 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3 equals 13, which is 4 plus 9 equals 13. Correct. Now let's check the second equation. 4 multiplied by 2 minus 3 equals 5. That's 8 minus 3 equals 5. Also correct. So our final answer is x equals 2 and y equals 3. Whenever you're solving simultaneous equations using the elimination method, always check first whether the variables can be eliminated straight away. If they can't, multiply one or both equations by some number until the coefficients match, then continue exactly as before. As you practice more questions, spotting which equation to multiply will become much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.